Well, it's starting to look like a room addition. Haven't got all the walls done, but I've got more than half of them done. Just got the part that's over the high spot there to do here and the gable. Now I left one spot open on the other end so that I can get in and out from the front. We're getting ready to have a big rain, so I tried to make sure I got all this. This is my steps to get in the backside. You can see it from the inside here. There it all is. So far so good anyway. So far so good. We have a bracer he put on there. I can't remember when he said it was okay to take it off. I think it was after I put these boards on, but I'm going to have to call him and find out for sure. And I've got to do a little bit of work on that. And next thing I got to do is tear some of this siding off so I can put the cross beams going out to this wall from that wall to make a ceiling. I also got the ladder done, but I got it covered up. I'm not going to uncover it just to show you. I'll show you in another video. It's pretty cool. This is the only other piece I left open so that I can get in and out from the front. So that's where we are. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets to put on that side and 1 sheet to put on that side, and then of course got to frame and close the gable. Well, we're expecting big rain and wind tonight, so I wanted to get it closed as I could to try to prevent this floor from getting any wetter than it has to one more time. So that's where we are now. There's all my 12-foot 2x6s to make the cross beams that go from the house out to that wall for the ceiling. And that is that. Let's take a look at the front real quick. If you haven't looked in the description of my videos, check the descriptions, because I always put a link in there if you're going to do any shopping at all online. If you go through that link, no matter what you buy, even if it's not what I highlight, everything you buy, I get a little bit of a percentage from it. And it doesn't cost you any extra. But it sure helps out the channel, since I'm making nothing from YouTube. I'm far from making money on YouTube. But it would sure help me out making these videos. So that's where we are in this room addition. You can see we got the roof done. Let me get back where you can get a good look at it. See, I got the roof finished on it. I'll zoom in a little bit here. Got black paper and drip edge on it, and then we threw a board down with a few screws to hold down the edge of the shingles so that the storm doesn't blow the shingles off the house. One thing at a time. Just coming along. It's almost a finished up room. I'll keep you apprised. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. We have lots of videos on lots of topics: firewood, pigs, chickens, cats. There's Rascal. I haven't showed you Rascal for a while. He's getting big. And he sure is a rascal. He thought that was a climbing gym we built for him till we put a roof on it. He still gets up there and climbs around though. Don't you, Rascal? Huh? Yep. It's a good kitty. There's Gobi. G-O-B-I, like the desert. He's not the brightest dog in the world. But he's alright. I've had worse dogs. Haven't I? Haven't I? Yeah. Rascal. Oh, he's good. He found something he wants to get. He's on the prowl. He's on the prowl. He's going after something. I don't know what. Let's see if he gets it. Probably a grasshopper. He's been eating a lot of those lately. That time of year where little cats hunt grasshoppers, and they learn how to hunt. Are you going to stare it to death? Or are you going to eat it? Look at the prowl of the cheetah. A lion on the safari. He's out there. He's going after it. He's crouched down. He's ready to get it. Well, how far away is it, Rascal? Jiminy. Windy day like this, probably just a leaf fluttering. You're gonna go attack it. Oh well, I'm getting tired of waiting on you. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate everything.